would be worth it if you're actually making 17 an hour.
Yeah.
But it's probably one of those deals where it's like, if you sell enough, you can make 17 an hour.
Oh, that's true.
BS.
Here is us. We gotta go down there. So we're gonna take the river.
Fastest way. So, call it Lewis and Clark Travel America.
5? I think it's definitely a little bit higher than that. Maybe
Should we
10
open
feet.
It up and flood it?
Can you imagine? Jesus. It is a flowing, baby. Is this against the law?
I think once we're done with this, there won't be any law to enforce.
Oh shit, I fucking hear it. It's coming out down here. It's over there. Do you see that? It's coming out on the other fucking side.
It's crazy. How'd it go over there?
Oh my god.
Fuck, I should have brought some water.
There's plenty of right around here. Here it goes. Come on. Come on.
Come on, do all of our progress.
There we go.
I think nature deserves this.
Saving the world one disaster at a time. Alright, after this I'm going to be putting my phone in a bag.
I'll put a little air in there so it floats.
That's smart. Let's hope there's no knives in the river. Alright.
Knives? I would be worried about needles. This is Heroin Hudson after all.
Let's go. We are about to die.
Uvula storm up ahead, and I think it's gonna tear our ship apart.
I'm honestly fucking terrified. We are going faster.
Backwards.
See if you can turn around quick.
Baby. Yeah, baby. Oh my god.
Shit, I'm going backwards. Son of a bitch. It's so cold.
No, fuck.
Alright.
This water is really cold, I just noticed.
Yeah. See if you can come a little closer. Shit.
Son of a bitch.
It's like falling out of the boat at Disney. It takes all the scary away from it.
It is really cold. Holy shit. Ah, balls. Ah.
I think you're kind of a bitch. I've been in here the past 4 days.
Oh man. So scared.
I don't know if it's recording, but we're entering Big Rapids. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Tucker, there is a big drop over there. Can you see it?
Prepare.
Okay. I hope it's recording. Here it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Shit. We're gonna get... Ah! Oh! I'm beached. What are we seeing? Oh my god. What? We have to take a side? Tucker, I can't make it. Tucker, I can't make it. Oh my god. Oh my god. We may have made the wrong choice. Oh my god. Ouch. Ow. I'm hurting. Oh. We're going fast. Stay away from the edge. Stay away from the edge. Tucker is taking it. Oh. No! Oh, I'm out of the... Tucker! That side. Nope, we can't make it. Tucker, I'm half hanging on.
Sideways.
I am off! Ah! Back, I can't get back on! Ah!
big rapid!
Fuck.
Oh, baby! Oh, baby!
There it comes. Oh boy. Ah! Ah! I got stabbed. Dude. Oh shit. Dude, this is fucking deep. I can't touch the bottom.
Can you swim?
No. Oh. This is... This is not one of those days where you put your phone in the water.
If we lose the video record of this, I think we might as well go over the falls.
God.
That's really
So we are in the mountain. Can't really see much. Oh shit. We're gonna get pulled under the wall of rock. Look at that.
You know that whirlpool I was telling you about?
Yeah.
We're about to get sucked in. Oh.
Shit. This is cool looking though. Oh, nice. This is peaceful.
Yeah.
The scenery, dude.
It's like the calm before the storm.
The quality through the thing. Like my camera or my phone is not very, it's not very bright. Oh shit! I'm gonna go through fucking. God, we're going through another tree. Oh yeah, I think that's definitely the falls. So we can, yeah. So we should make our way over there. Oh my god! So we almost died. I didn't have time to pull out my phone. But fuck, that was crazy. And there's the falls. So we almost just fell to our deaths. So now we're gonna keep walking. Oh. Alright. Well, my SIM card is wet, so I think I fucked up my phone. Whew. But luckily it turns on. So that's better than the last time Tucker and I did something crazy. So, yeah, we would have, I think, died a little bit had we stayed on.
Yeah, we were one drop away from disaster.
So good for us. So now we're going to try and jump